I'm Cara Jackson, and I'm a 2020 Dougherty Arts Center artist, and this is where the art happens, in my house. I have a living room slash dining room that I've completely taken over with my art. I do some graphic design and other kind of office computer work here at the dining table. You can see all of my office storage, paint storage, prints crammed back there. And I have my larger paintings hung on the walls. It's a nice, safe way to store them, and it's also really fun to just enjoy them day to day. So my house is turned into kind of an art gallery. And you can see I've got paintings going all the way up the stairs here. It's pretty fun. And I like to keep silly things around in my workspaces, like little toys and good music to keep the mood light. And another thing I like recently especially is working out here on the back patio. I have been working on this painting of Barton Creek. I just finished it, and I did a lot of the work out here enjoying the nice springtime weather. And that's it for my little home studio. Thank you so much for watching.